And it's a warmer than normal day today, and that temperature trend continues tomorrow too. Certainly drier weather, by the way, and that dry coupled with the warmer air and also the gusty winds too may lead to a fire weather threat. We could use some rainfall. There's not much in the next 7 days. In fact, if you look across central and eastern Massachusetts, bone dry between now and next Tuesday, with perhaps 1 or 2 spots across the south coast and the Merrimack Valley picking up on just trace amounts of rainfall here or there. But that is where the worst fire weather threat is today and tomorrow across Worcester, Boston, Middlesex County through the north and south shore. So just keep in mind, I know that, we've got some nice nights ahead. You may want to be tempted to use the fire pit today or tomorrow. Just keep in mind, you have to exercise caution. 98% of wildfires are caused by humans across the Commonwealth, that according to the Mass DCR. Only 2% due to lightning. And just remember, heat lightning is not a real thing. Typically, there are thunderstorms coupled with those lightning strikes. The forecast for the day today, plenty of warmer air. Look at that. By mid-morning, already approaching 70 across Bedford, Boston, Norwood, Taunton alike across the south coast, 70 to 75 degrees today, and even through central Massachusetts. This is just day one. Tomorrow gets even hotter as high pressure really tightens its grip. This is ahead of an approaching cold front. This cold front Wednesday evening and Thursday, as it slides through, it brings us a slight chance of rainfall north of town, but nothing for Boston. It does bring in cooler air such that our temperatures drop down into the 50s and 60s through Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, another cold front with a reinforcing shot at cooler air. But nothing cool about the forecast today and tomorrow. At 70 degrees in Boston tonight, we're down to 57. It's still mild and warmer than normal as we put a pause on fall weather tomorrow, right around 75 to 76. We can look to the fingerprints of climate change to show us that temperatures today across the north and south shore and through Cape Cod are likely 4 to maybe even 5 times more likely due to climate change and the warming that you and I are doing on this earth. So it's very important to keep in mind our greenhouse gas emissions, and we see these sort of fingerprints of climate change everywhere, not just across the air's temperature, but also the oceans alike, which can do some numbers on our weather. In terms of numbers on the forecast today on the map, we're right around 76 tomorrow. Brisk winds approaching Thursday and Friday, dropping temperatures back down to near 60 degrees. As we approach Halloween next Thursday, temperatures are right around 70. So I think the kiddos will be happy for this forecast. It's dry, it's warm, and no coats over those beautiful costumes.
Oh, great idea. Thank you so much.